Hey, what's going on, guys? Crazy day for micro strategy. Definitely a bounce back day for sure. Past week, it's up 6%. Was down as much as 8.62%. 309 looks like was one of the lowest there on January 13th. But it is now trading at 360. Got to 366.76 in the after hours today. We got to look at our beloved Misty. They came out with their distribution announcement today. Going to look at that here in a second as well. But they ended up being up 4% on the day. Where did they close at? They closed at, roughly 4%. They're back in the 30s, but they did drop off. I don't know if this is the ex-dividend. This is the dividend announcement. We'll pull that up here in a second. Let's actually do that right now. So if we pull over on X and look at YieldMax's ETFs page, we can get this going here. Okay, so scrolling down a little bit, we'll see the numbers. All right, and those numbers are $2.27. So a lot of people were thinking they were going to go below $2, but I think a lot of people are going to be pretty happy with that. Why QQQ? Don't really know much about that fund. I believe it's just the inverse of the NASDAQ. AMZ, that's another popular one. 40 cents rather. Aptly 28 cents. AIYY 37 cents. DISO 27 cents. SQY 63 cents. And SMCY at $1.72. Followed by YMAX and YMAG. YMAX paid 11 cents. Versus YMAG 5 cents. Looking at some of the discussion here, some people are pretty happy, I think. Let's see. Yeah, so even with the market, they get a pretty massive distribution coming out here. This is definitely one of their most popular funds. So there were definitely a lot of people eyeballing it for sure. Okay. So going back, look at the market over here. We're gonna look at some of the other ones. Like let's look at the NASDAQ 100. Had a solid day, up 2.25%. I think the Dow Jones was actually the leader. S&P 500 1.83%, and then the Dow Jones up 1.66%. Okay. Yeah, so needless to say though, a lot of green in the market. There was some data that came out today. Not 100% sure as of what that data was exactly, but the market seems pretty happy, overall. And yeah, it must have came out this morning around 8:30, because ever since 8:30, things really rocked up to the upside after that. SPY was down around 584, and it topped out close to that $600 level again. So needless to say, though, pretty bullish day. Hope you guys made some money out there. Hope you guys were smart. And stay tuned. We'll see how things kind of shape out coming up with the inauguration next week. And yeah, guys, stay tuned for more content coming your way. Appreciate it.